Hello everyone, welcome to module 2, which is on storage system management and components. In this module, we will first see storage system architecture. So we'll get answers to questions like how should IO be integrated into the system? What are the general mechanisms to integrate IO? And how can we make them more efficient? We will take a review of canonical device and different protocols that are necessary in order to integrate IO to the system. So we would see things like different cost while we look at these different protocols of canonical device, such as how to avoid cost of polling. So we would see interface with polling, interface with interrupts. That brings us to lowering CPU overhead with interrupts, comparison of mechanisms with polling versus mechanisms with interrupts. We would see some techniques how to make the data movements with DMA more efficient. And finally, we would learn about methods of device interactions, such as how can we keep most of the OS device neutral, thus hiding the details of device interactions from major OS subsystem. In the case where we have different storage devices, still, how do we keep operating system neutral to these devices such that it supports each of these varieties of different storage devices? For example, if your laptop is just compatible to a particular kind of hard drive, would that be any good? In the sense, if you want to plug in your backup hard drive, backup disk, it wouldn't respond to that. Let's say if you want to plug in the flash drive or USB stick, it wouldn't respond to that. We do not want that, right? So we want operating system to be generic enough to be able to talk to various or varieties of storage devices. So we would learn different methods that were adopted historically in order to enable such compatibility.